back to my channel. Today I'm going to be making some homemade chili with my Instant Pot, and this is going to be a fast recipe, so I'm going to take you along with me as I pour everything in the Instant Pot. So we're going to start off. I already have my Instant Pot set to saute. I press the saute button right there and it's already heating up. So I'm going to saute. I have onions. I have white onions. And let me just pour a little olive oil in there also. I have red onions. I have green peppers. Yellow and red peppers. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to just saute it in the pan. Let me take you along with me. You can see. I'm going to let that cook for like 5 minutes. Then I'm going to come back. Okay, you guys, my onions and peppers are already sauteed. I'm going to put my meat in, which is, I'm using Italian style turkey sausage. So this is what the meat is going to be in the chili. So I'm going to open that up. And I'm just going to put it right in here. And you can use any kind of meat you want to, or you don't have to have meat at all. You can opt for maybe a vegan meat, or just straight beans. So I'm gonna put my beans in. So I have navy beans, and I already had them soaking so I could get some of the starch off and so they can cook faster. Then I have black beans. Then I have pinto beans. And you can use any kind of beans you want to, or you can just leave the beans out. So I'm just gonna stir everything up. It smells good already without the seasoning. Alright, I'm going to pour in my tomatoes. I have diced tomatoes. We're just going to pour it in. And I didn't have regular chicken broth, vegetable broth, or beef broth. So I have faux beef broth. So that's what I'm going to use. So I have 2 cups of that. Mix everything up. And I'm also going to put in tomato paste. So I'm going to put that in also. This is going to give it that red color. I'm going to put in some Worcestershire sauce. Let's see. Then the last thing is my seasonings. I have oregano, pink sea salt, have garlic and onion powder, I have red pepper and black pepper, I have paprika, cumin, and chili seasoning. What's chili without chili seasoning? Okay. So I'm going to stir everything up. It smells so good. I'm going to put a little more of the stock in there. Just a little bit. Okay, so I'm going to make sure I close my lid tight. So it's at close. Then I'm going to turn the air pressure, if you can see it. This is open, so we're going to turn it to all right. We're going to need to make sure that this is turned to all right, so the air won't come out of it. It's locked and turn to it all right. Alright, so I have my lid closed. I have the air pressure to alright. Now, we're cooking chili, so I don't have, on the gourmet, it doesn't have a chili button. So the next close thing to me would be soup. So I'm gonna press soup. It says 25 minutes. So let's see if I can increase it. I'm gonna just let it do its thing. If I had to come back and do it again, we'll see after that. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so the chili has stopped. So I'm gonna turn it so the air can release out of it. And I'm gonna come back. Alright guys, here's the moment of truth. See how the chili turned out. So let's twist it. Let's see. Ooh, smells so good. Looks good too. Let's give it a stir. I forgot to pour my corn in there, so I had to lift the lid up before I started it completely and put my corn in. So you see the corn added. Alright. I'm gonna give it a little taste for seasoning. See how everything tastes. And I'm holding the camera in my hand, so I'm trying to do it with one hand. I know it's hot. I want to make sure my beans are cooked good. Everything is good. I don't need to add anything else. I have got the right amount of seasoning in there. So this is the finished look of it. Okay guys, this is the finished look of the chili. I paired it off with some brown rice, and I sprinkled some cheese and red and yellow onion. Have some cilantro, avocado. Then I made some cornbread to go along with it. So I hope you liked the recipe for today. I hope you stop by again next time to see another recipe or another video. Again, peace out. Many blessings to you. See you the next time.